The Ford Fusion, the 2013-2020, they will almost always have the remote start, especially in higher trims. In titanium and platinum, they will have a remote start on the key fob, so it's a factory remote start, and you will just need to make sure that the car is locked, and then press and hold the remote start button to start your vehicle, and also make sure that it doesn't have any check engine light and any problems with the engine, because otherwise it will not start. And of course the shifter will need to be in park, and this is the condition. All doors are closed, shifter is in park, and engine is okay. It will remote start. In the SE and S trims, you will not have the remote start in most cases. SE had it as an option, and people who bought these cars knew they could get remote start if they pay extra. But in most cases, you will not have it. The good thing is that the Ford Fusion allows you to add the remote start really easily. So you need to have your car coded by people who know what they are doing, and they will add the remote start with some patterns. For example, you click 3 times the lock button and it will start remotely, or you click lock, unlock, and lock, and it will start remotely. You may even have it in your car, because a lot of people did this, and then they sold the cars without telling the new owners, of course, that they had the remote start. So you may try clicking 3 times or other patterns. In my case, I have a separate remote start fob here, so I can use it when I want to remote start the car. Just hold this button and make sure the car is locked. So it's very easy to add remote start to these cars, and a lot of people did this. And I don't think it costs you a fortune. So probably everything is ready, and you just need to code everything and create the opportunity to start your car with this key fob without changing it.